on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are in fact having a great day today. Today is update time. Update. Now, a couple of things have happened off camera. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know by now. Number one, it's springtime, which means pollen's out. If you're allergic to pollen, get yourself some Benadryl or keep your ass inside. Number two, daylight savings, of course. Number three, I had to serve jury duty, which turns out I didn't have to. I really don't want to go into detail. I'm gonna go into detail. So, March 7th, 2022, had to attend jury duty. Didn't know I was supposed to call a 1-800 number. Now, note, this was my first time doing this. Okay, so I'll call that 1-800 number. They scheduled me for the next day, but they told me to call back around like before 6 to So, March 7th, 2022, I went to Elizabeth City at the courthouse, and I was, quote-unquote, again, attending jury duty, but I didn't know I was supposed to call a 1-800 number. But note, this is my first time doing this, so I didn't know what I was doing. So, the lady gave me the number. I called them. It was like I was scheduled for the next day, but they told me to call back around 6, well, before 6, and I did that. Jury services ended. That's one full day that I cannot get back. I could have just did something productive. Number 4, gas prices went up. But don't worry, it's going back down. It was like 4 something. I paid $4.89 for premium because I'm daily driving the Lexus, of course. We're going to get to that in a little bit. But gas prices going back down, which is awesome. A little bit better than what it was. Number 5, the boy hit 200 subscribers. May not mean much, but at least I'm going somewhere. Seems like. No, seriously, guys, thank you for 200 subscribers. May not mean much, but it shows me that I'm going somewhere with what I'm doing right now in terms of, you know, doing these YouTube videos and stuff. Thank you guys for the support. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing. Tell your friends about me. Tell your friend to tell another friend. All that crazy stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and get down to what I've been doing for the past couple of months. Number 1, you guys already know I've been working. I work at a warehouse. I work at my day job. And, you know, 3 days out of the week. And, you know, on my days off, I try my best to be productive and everything, if that makes sense. And y'all already see the lighting is terrible if I haven't edited out in the beginning of the thing. Well, I have an entire GoPro camera, but I wasn't going to use it until I actually go ahead and do the process of moving, which is the next thing why I haven't been recording, is me being in the process of moving. My sister helped me find a place. They just doing a little bit of remodeling because the last people that had the place ended up messing it up. So he's doing a remodeling. I'm just waiting for the okay. And the place that I'm going to be at now is just going to be temporary until I actually get a house of my own. So it's not bad. It's not actually bad. It just need, like I said, just getting remodeled from the inside out. And honestly, guys, I can't wait to move because I have so much shit I have to do. So much I have to do. And I'm not talking about just moving wise. I'm talking about, like, you know, me doing YouTube videos and stuff. I mean, of course, I do have a lot to move. Well, not a lot, but it's just mostly automotive stuff. Okay, I only got a few clothes, 2 TVs, and other accessories and stuff that I have to move to the house. It's just mostly like automotive stuff. But in conclusion, I'm just waiting for the okay so that way we could go ahead and get ready to do that, do all the moving, and then we can continue on from there. Oh, and I'm gonna let you guys know, while we're at the new location, I'm just gonna be working on the Celica. I really wanna hop back onto the Celica build, go ahead and start doing the transmission swap, timing belt, water pump kit, all that crazy stuff, all the mods to the Celica. Guys, the Celica has to come back because I've seen a couple of you guys, I read comments, I be reading comments, and I have been replying to you guys. If you guys want Celica updates, I'm gonna get to that in a second. The Celica build is coming back, so don't you worry. I'll probably do the Lexus here and there. I'm trying not to drive the Lexus too much because it's still leaking oil on that upper pan. If you guys ever rebuild an engine, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like when you have the lower pan and then you have the upper pan, whether you have like a V6 or a V8, whatever, if that makes sense. Speaking of the Lexus, let's go ahead and give you guys an update on my 1+ year ownership. So here goes the Lexus. There goes my baby right here, my big baby. She's still driving, still shifting funny, delayed shift, like delayed gear engagement, all that crazy stuff. Still got to get the solenoids for it. I won't be doing a video on that because you guys already see me do the video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Besides this car being covered in pollen, dust, road debris, and bird shit, she's still driving very, very good. She's been really, really reliable despite the gas prices. And the only thing I'm doing is just basic maintenance right now. For now, until I actually take the engine out and just like do a full rebuild on it. You guys are gonna see that in the future video when I get the other house. Not the one that I'm about to go into, but you know, when I save up my money and build up my credit some more and all that crazy stuff, y'all get what I'm saying. But other than the transmission solenoid problem, me replacing the starter for the second time, and you know, this car covered in pollen, dirt, road debris, and bird poop, this car's still driving good. Still looks good, even though, like I said, it is dirty. She needs a wash. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow going to work. So hopefully around Sunday I could go ahead and get this thing a full wash. I bought an electric pressure washer, which I really want to go ahead and try out. I did pre-try it out, and it actually works amazing for that to be a 1600 psi. Update on the Celica, the Taurus, and the Mazda. They're not at my mom's house no more. She ended up moving. I ended up having to take the cars to an undisclosed location for now, but just temporary, until I go ahead and move into my new location, so that way we could resume operations from there. But yeah, man, that's the only thing that's holding me back, and that is moving to my new location, so that way we could go ahead and resume operations from there. I'm just doing this update video so you guys know that I'm still alive, I'm still well, healthy, and breathing. Nothing bad happened to me. I've just been working, trying to get things situated, try to get things straight, and I'm ready to go do this thing, because I really got a lot of stuff I have to do and a lot of fun things I want to go ahead and do, you know, regarding the car builds and stuff, so that way I can keep myself busy. Oh, there's one more other thing I forgot to tell you guys. Your boy been going to the gym. I've been going to the gym since like late January. It's been like 2 months now. Yeah, it's been 2 months. But yeah, man, that's basically about it. Like what has been happening behind the scenes and stuff. Just giving you guys an update, like I said, on me and what's going on behind the scenes, and you know, trying my best to post out as much content as I can. Hopefully in the next video we can go ahead and do the process of moving, and like I said, the new location is just going to be a temporary spot until I can find something bigger, if that makes sense. But guys, my camera battery is dying. I don't know why I didn't charge it, but that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't done so. Turn on that post notification bell so that way you know every time when I post it. That being said, guys, I am out. Love you guys. Stay safe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.